Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Brian from Search for Deal. Today I'm opening Donruss Optic Mega Box from Walmart. I picked up this box for $34.99 plus tax, and it comes with a one autograph guarantee and 10 packs. Each pack has 4 cards in it. So I guess it doesn't come with any pink refractor. So here we go. Oh man, I hate these boxes. I'm gonna put it like that. Alright. Here we go, 10 packs. Just gonna go through quickly. Stanton 2017 MVP. Kinda parallel refractor. Guess it's a refractor. Ready rookie Rosario, Nolan, Bernardo, Diamond King, here we go. Profile rookie, ready rookie. Oh, here's a hit. Oh, you already see the name. Oh, the red. That number though, I thought it was auto, but not number, but refractor. Is it orange, yellow? Benny Tandy, Bryce Hopper. What happened to his cards? This card is Aaron Judge All-Star color. Ooh, gosh. Somehow it's hard to open it. Kitchen goes Smith. He's following me. Matt Olson. So far, no number call yet. Oh, Jesus Christ! What the? Acuna Jr. Ready rookie. Not numbered, just base card, but still nice. There you go, Chris Archer, Diamond King. Conforto, Yankee. And Kimberly, ready rookie, bronze. Not number, just refractor. Oh man. See, Goldschmidt. So many goals. Dominic Smith, the base card. Sanchez, Springer, Ohtani. I have a rated rookie from Optic, but I don't have this color. And same Aaron Judge All-Star, chrome silver. Yes, the other one is parallel. It's not number. anything but. Hey, another Ohtani. Wish I have Ohtani old card in here. Nope, 2 packs left. Oh, here you go. You already saw the name. Kyle Lewis, Seattle Optic autograph. It's a cool design. I have. Is it number? Nope, it's not number. Here's the hit, Kyle Lewis. What is it, number 5 or S? Huh. It's very interesting autograph card. Okay, last pack. I guess this is Eddie Matthew. Yeah, from 1931. Oh, Aaron Judge. Refractor. Bronze refractor. Not number or anything. Cisco. Nick Williams base. Okay. That's it, guys. Here's a. Oh, let me see. Here's a recap. Aaron Judge All-Star parallel. Is it parallel or refractor? I don't know. Same card number, so it's a parallel, I guess. Cool. Ohtani rookie card, ready rookie with red, yellow, orange, whatever. Parallel. And Kyle Lewis autograph. I guess he's not the rookie though, right? That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.